So Prove It is our biannual campus change competition, and this will be our third time running it on our campus, which is really exciting.
You really know when it's a Prove It year, when you have a classmate lean next to you and tell you about a crazy idea they have that they want you to support. And everyone's talking about Prove It. Either you're really excited about your idea, or you just want to mention how you have a great idea, but you don't want to give people the details because you don't want them to steal your idea.
The idea of Prove It is that we take some of our student activity fee money. It's been $30,000 in the past, and this year we will have 3 awards of $10,000. And what we say to our students is, we know that you have fantastic ideas, and not only do you have fantastic ideas, we know that you can actually make those ideas happen. So students will submit their ideas to us. We will have a panel of stakeholders from our campus take a look at those ideas and tell us if they're realistic. It's really unique to have all of those people in a room having a set of student ideas in front of them to say, as a campus architect, I think this is a great idea, or I think this isn't realistic for us. We whittle that down, and then we have a set of finalists that we then present to the student body for them to take a vote. And the students tell us what they think they want to see on this campus.
I've been involved with Prove It since its first year. I've been on the selection committee in each of the previous years, have worked with the leadership of the program in each year, not just on how the program is executed, but also thinking about ways to continue to make it evolve over the years.
When students are ready to pursue a project, they absolutely have support with us. We help them through the entire proposal process for submitting an idea to Prove It. So we'll have different opportunities for them to come work with us and flesh out their ideas. We'll work to pair them with certain stakeholders on campus who have a fantastic perspective on things that would be helpful in their proposal. So SGA not only helps students build their proposals, but once they win, or even those who don't win, are often taken through the process of seeing that change actually happen after the contest is over.
I think another great thing about Prove It is that it connects students who haven't previously been involved in student government to the organization in a way that shows them that UMBC SGA isn't just about parliamentary procedure and eventually I want to run for office someday, so let me practice now. It really is about creating initiatives of change on campus.
Engagement across the institution's community, from faculty to staff to the leadership of the campus, that encourages creativity and innovation, but demands execution and follow through and evolution.
What I find really cool about the biodiesel project is it's a group of students who are passionate about their field of study, and they want to apply what they learned in classes to a practical application which improve the sustainability and make campus greener.
On college campuses in general, there's a predisposition for students to go to the SGA or to administrators and tell them what the problems are and ask them to fix them for them. The great thing about Prove It is that it asks people to recognize problems or ways that they can better their community, and it puts the action in their hands, that they don't necessarily need to go through the SGA or through certain administrators, that they can do this project themselves.
I think the most important thing about Prove It isn't the competition, but the process and the culture change that it brings with it. The idea that it doesn't have to be a Prove It year for you to take on a project or initiative that you want to really change this campus. It teaches you the process you would have to go through to make change happen. And it gets students excited about it. It gets people working together, talking to faculty, administration, the SGA, to really make changes happen here.
So to me, Prove It is an example of a university putting its money where its mouth is. It's saying that you're not just in college to learn how to eventually change the world, but we're going to prepare you to make change right here, right now.
I think we're really starting to transform our campus here to have a culture around civic engagement. Our campus partners all want to engage with each other authentically and really encourage people to create change here. We have a theme that's Make UMBC Yours. You see it on the walls here around campus. And it's not just something we say, it's something that we mean.
It really is a game changer, I think, in how we prepare students to be fully engaged members of any community.
But we feel like the net benefit is that we have the entire campus, not just students, but faculty, staff, and administrators, talking about the potential for our campus and seeing themselves as agents of change.